Good morning. Today we'll discuss about the last topic of microbial biotechnology, bioethics and biosafety. For your exam, you need to study Human Genome Project, which is very important topic under this unit. We already discussed Human Genome Project. For 15 marks, at least you need to cover 4 pages, which includes introduction, objectives, goals of Human Genome Project, benefits in the form of flowchart. You can include methodology, very simple methodology. You know the methodology already. Isolation and insertion, basically recombinant DNA technology. And unique features about Human Genome Project. Along with Human Genome Project, one more additional question is ethical, legal and social implications. LC program, it was founded in 1990. It acts as an integral part of Human Genome Project. The main goal of LC program is basically to identify and address issues raised by genomic research that would affect individuals, families, and society. Next topic is biosafety guidelines. Biosafety guidelines, you need to study the regulations for genetically modified organisms and good manufacturing practice, etc. Biosafety guidelines policy was proposed or adopted by government to avoid the risks of genetically engineered organisms on environment as well as public health, and also to regulate recombinant DNA research with organisms that have least or no adverse effect. In India, DBT, that is Department of Biotechnology, has proposed the recombinant DNA safety guidelines in 1983 and it was amended in 1990. It deals with production, usage, import, export, and storage of hazardous organisms. Actually, biosafety guidelines and regulations comes under seminar topic, and we already discussed about the GLP, good laboratory practice. You know the laboratory practice. You need to mention around 5 to 6 points about good laboratory practice. And the last topic in this unit is testing of drugs on human volunteers. In previous video, we have discussed about testing of drugs on human volunteers. So for your exam, how you need to prepare is once you open the last unit, bioethics and biosafety, first you need to concentrate on 15-mark question. That is Human Genome Project. They may ask, write a detailed account on Human Genome Project or discuss the ethical, legal and social implications of Human Genome Project, or write a note on Human Genome Project along with LC program. So for 15 mark, you need to concentrate on Human Genome Project and few points about ethical issues, legal issues and social issues. Minimum 2 points for each issues, which may cover under up to 8 points you may cover under LC program. And for 5 marks in this unit, you need to study biosafety guidelines and regulations for genetically modified organisms, drug testing on human volunteers. Last one, 3-mark questions. The most important 3-mark questions, repeatedly asked questions were good laboratory practice and good manufacturing practice, clinical trials. Clinical trials you can write in the form of flowchart, that is phase 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the last topic of microbial biotechnology, mainly you need to concentrate on Human Genome Project, LC program, and for 5 marks, biosafety guidelines and testing of drugs on human volunteers, For 3 marks, good laboratory practice, clinical trials, and good manufacturing practice. Good laboratory practice, good manufacturing practice, and genetically modified organisms are included in the seminar topic. Thank you.